Good afternoon everyone. This is Baylake Hotel in Cavite. So I am strolling kasi medyo maaga natapos yung namin session. So today it's 4:30 in the afternoon and I am here having this rooming, strolling around because palagi kaming nakaupo, no? So I have to stroll around so that I'll be able to have some exercise. So maganda ang amenities ng hotel, very nice, kaya lang isolated ka talaga, wala kang mapuntahang mall nearby because it's very far. You have to walk, I think 300 meters, walang sasakyan sa loob. You have to walk, and then after 300 meters you have to sakay pa ng jeepney. So masyado siyang complicated, so we opted to stay. Pero I'm just strolling around. So maganda naman yung views niya. Ito yung Baylake Hotel. Sa background niya may paaralan dito. I think this is Lyceum na paaralan. So very okay yung amenities niya. Ilang floor. Medyo mataas-taas yung hotel na ito. Very okay yung paligid. Very quiet, very solemn.